I'm going to show you where to upload videos, qualifications for making money, and where to make money. So let's dive in and get started right away. At the end of this video, you guys could potentially have your YouTube account up and running on your way to making some money. So let's dive in. All right, so like I said, this is going to be a hands-on video. So the very first thing you want to do is you want to go to your browser. Preferably, you want to have the Chrome browser. Chrome is owned by Google. YouTube is owned by Google. So we want to keep everything nice and compatible. So go to your browser and go to your search and simply search Google Create Account. Okay, search this on your Google search engine, and then it's going to bring up this link. It says create your Google account. To have a YouTube channel, you have to have a Google account, period. So you want to click on this, all right? And then what you want to do is you want to pick a first name. So I'm going to pick a first name. I'm just going to say Jack Dempsey. I'm just making names up over here. Now, username, you can use your name, you can use anything you want, or you can pick something specific to the channel you're trying to open. So in my case, let's say that I want to make a tech channel. So all I'm going to say is I'm going to say future of tech, let's say 2040, okay, an example. And then I'm going to pick a password. So I dumped in a password. I'm going to click on next, all right? And then from here, you can give your phone number. You can give a recovery email address, which I recommend, but otherwise just continue. I'm just gonna pick some dates over here. Let's just say 1980, and then pick your gender and click on next, all right? So simply scroll down here and click agree to everything. These have nothing to do with making money. We can configure these things later. So just click agree, all right? And we should have our Google account set up. It says, welcome Jack Dempsey. So once you have your Google account set up, on the top right over here, you have a little icon. You can click on these Google apps and go to YouTube, or you can just type in youtube.com and go straight to YouTube. And then on the top, you'll see by default, I've been signed in with my new account that I've just created. If not, just click on sign in and sign in with the new account that you have just created. Make sure to sign out of your existing account if you already are a Google user. So from here, you want to click on this one, and all you want to do, you can either click on create a channel, or you can click on YouTube Studio. Now, when you click on YouTube Studio, this is where you upload your videos. This is where you see all the statistics of your videos, how many people have watched your videos, who's watching it, how many subscribers you have. So this is your control panel. So when you click this for the first time, if you never had an account before, it's going to prompt you to create a brand new account. And what you can do here is you can use YouTube as your first name, your last name, or you can click on use a